G'day guys, Adrian from Lifestyle Adventures. Just another quick video on the Arctic. A few questions regarding the diesel heater. So we've got the diesel tank, which holds about 3 litres. Not exactly sure on the quantity that it holds. Got a little level indicator here. To get into that tank, nice little flap there so the water can't get in. You're after the long black key that comes on your keys from your Arctic camper. Long black key. I'll take you around. I'll show you a little something we found when we went to use the heater the first time. So I'll take you around there now. So we're just here inside the van. This is your diesel heater display unit. And that's the little vent, which is adjustable. You can spin it around to wherever you like to get the heat coming out. So when you lift up under the dining area, you've got your diesel heater unit in there, just next to the wheel arch. What we found, just hooked up on there, was this little remote. How good. So we can be lying in bed, turn the diesel heater on. The little voice says start heating. You press the circle. Sorry about the reflection, I can see the reflection of the camera there. You can adjust the set point that you want it to. It's in degrees Celsius. And then you can see just a little line on the bottom. You got your level, you can see it going across there. Crank up your level to the max and have it pumping, or you can just have it medium. You can feel it coming through there now. So that's it. It's telling me it's at 18 degrees pumping through at the moment, but it'll start moving up as it gets warmer. That's what it's set point 25. I don't know if you can hear that. It's starting to ramp up. How good. So that's it, try and get it better. I can see the reflection from the camera there, so my apologies. So that's it, picture of it burning, heating, cold air going in, hot air coming out. That's cranking up now. You can definitely feel that. It's saying it's 18 degrees in here, but that heat's pumping through now, so I'm just going to turn that right back down and I'll just turn it back off. Stop heating, it says. So with the remote, there's a little memory button you can set. You can adjust the temp up and down, power on and off. So it's a great little feature that we found. I just put that next to the bed when we're asleep if it's a cold night. Bloody awesome little feature. If you didn't know, just have a look on that little wire. There's a little cable tie and our remote was just hanging off that. Tell you what, on a cold night or morning, it's nice to not have to get out of bed to turn it on. So, it's as easy as that, guys. Arctic got everything covered. All comes with the van, no installs, no paying for this, paying for that. Everything comes with the van. Just makes camping so much easier. If you like the content, like and subscribe, really helps us out. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.